and today I'm starting with black raspberries. Moving on to red raspberries. A few golden raspberries. Blueberries. And just a couple strawberries. Chamomile. Put that right here in the middle of all the berries. This yellow jalapeno is finally ready. And so is this violet sparkle. The yellow one is spicy and the purple one is like a snack pepper. And of course, I can't forget the peas. Somebody asked me what I do with all my peas. No, but seriously, these make the best snacks. Of course, I also cook them as like a side dish, but I mean, these are just incredibly good. And of course, I snack on the berries too.